Hello friends, it's Ella from Ningbo Porcelain Manufacturer. Today I want to introduce our material of patch panel. Normally we will use two types of materials, SPCC steel and industrial ABS plastic. Here we are two types. Could you distinguish which one is in SPCC and which one is in ABS plastic? I think it is hard to find out by their appearance. Now let me tell you, this one is in ABS plastic and this one is in SPCC steel. So how could we distinguish the material? Firstly, the weight. The material in SPCC it is heavier, and the ABS it is lighter. Let's measure their weights. So we could find this one, it's about 614 grams, and this one it's over 1,000 grams. And during the using by material SPCC, it is more stable even up to 10 years using. It is not out of shape, but the material ABS plastic patch panel, its elements will be more weaker than SPCC. After long using, it will be out of shape. But for the shipping, patch panel of ABS plastic, it has more advantages. For example, because of low weight, so the cost of shipping will be lower too. And during the installation, this one is easier to operate. So follow us, more information I will share with you.